But the biggest story of the day is the comments coming in from the management at Axis Bank. We will listen into that as well. But before that, let's cut across to the IMD presser because they are talking about how the monsoon is likely to pan out this year.
Monsoon will be. That is the main agenda, what we are going to tell. It is very broad objective about the overall India. As you all know that we have roughly about 87 centimeter rainfall all over India. 87 centimeter during this 4 months period. Now, out of this 87 centimeter, it is 100% means 87%. So this year, we look at it both statistical and dynamical model. From that, what are the probabilities or what are the quantitative forecast for this year, which will be in June to September. So we come out with the statistics and result is about 96% of 87 centimeter will be there. Roughly about 83.5 centimeter rainfall will occur during June to September. So that's a first message. Of course, it contains, there are many factors, why it is and other things. Some details will be given in the presentation. But this 83.5 centimeter rainfall is coming under the normal category. I am again repeating, out of 5 category, normal category, and it is roughly about what is called range and other things he will explain in detail. So I want to say once again that is a normal monsoon this year is expected. So I will request my colleague Dr. Mahapatra to give a detailed presentation. Afterwards, we can listen your question and answer. We can discuss. Thank you.
Thank you. Sir, thank you, sir. I once again welcome all our colleagues from press and electronic media for this press conference on long-range forecast for the southwest monsoon seasonal rainfall during 2023. Next slide, please. As Secretary Minister of Earth Sciences has already informed you, quantitatively, the southwest monsoon seasonal rainfall during June to September 2023 for the country as a whole is likely to be 96% of the long period average with a model error of plus minus 5%. When I say 96%, it comes under the normal rainfall category for the country as a whole. If you look at various categories, if the seasonal rainfall is more than 110%, it is called as excess rainfall. If it is 105 to 110%, it is called as above normal rainfall. If it is 96 to 104% of the long period average, it is called as normal rainfall. And 90 to 95% of the long period average is called as below normal rainfall. And less than 90% of the long period average is called as the deficient rainfall. The long period average rainfall for the country as a whole is calculated based on data of 1971 to 2020, and it comes out to be 87 centimeter. So therefore, as Secretary has already briefed, 96% of 87 centimeter is roughly about 83.5 centimeter, and this comes under the normal category of rainfall. But model error has the plus minus 5%, so therefore it can vary from 91 to 101% of the long period average. This forecast is based on both statistical ensemble forecasting system of India Meteorological Department and the dynamical models used by India Meteorological Department. This dynamical model is a multi-model ensemble forecasting system based on various best performing climate models from different parts of the globe. Next slide, please. If you just look at the probability of rainfall during June to September 2023 in different categories, climatologically, it is 16% for the deficient rainfall, 17% for below normal, and normal is 33%, and 16% for above normal, and 17% for excess. That means climatologically, Indian summer monsoon rainfall during June to September is expected to be normal to above normal in 67% cases, or 67% probability for normal to above normal based on the...
Well, interesting as always, IMD has predicted a normal rainfall in the coming season, which means that it's in and around 2% plus the 100% mark, means around 98 or 97 to about 103. I think that's the range.
Plus minus 4% is what they call
So
a
96,
normal. 96 is what they are expecting, and very interesting because yesterday itself we had SkyMet predicting a below normal, a monsoon. They said it's going to be around 94%, but IMD, which is considered the bellwether in the country, and they are expecting a normal monsoon. So that should be something which will support the sentiments quite a bit. In fact, there is a bit of a recovery in the Nifty. I don't think we can, completely attribute it to this coming in.